back to my channel. So today I am back with another unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing another Influenster Voxbox, and this time it is from the Pioneer Women. This is what the box looks like. It's super cute. It says Influencer right there, and in the back it says fragile liquid, handle with care.
So we'll see if USPS handle with care.
But anyways, let's open this up. So this is what it looks like. It comes with beautiful bubble wrap. Oh, it's wrapped in bubble wrap. And it comes with a card. So what they sent me this time is barbecue sauce. This is what the card looks like. So it says, the Pioneer Women.
I'm so excited to share my new line of Pioneer Women barbecue sauces with you. They're made with bold, delicious ingredients and a whole lot of love. Use it to make your most scrumptious recipe even more delightful. If you love this jar and want to pick up some more, they're available at retailers nationwide. Try all 4 mouth-watering flavors: Frontier, Peach Whiskey, Apple Brown Sugar, and Honey Habanero. Sending lots of love from the ranch.
And it has more information of what I have to do to review this item. And they also sent me 2 other recipes in the back. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They sent me a big jar, and they sent me the flavor Peach Whiskey. I thought they were going to send me the habanero one. Yeah, I thought they were going to send me the honey habanero one, and I was super excited for that one. But it's okay, I've never tried the Peach Whiskey barbecue sauce, so I'm super excited to try this. Most of the days I do cook chicken, so I'm super excited to try this sauce. Hopefully it's good. So yeah, that is everything that I received from Influenster this month. That is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this small unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.